My name is Lisa. Sorry, I'm a little sleepy. This is actually my first day off in 8 days, which I'm actually very surprised that I've had a day off in so long, and I'm surprised I haven't been called into work yet today. Anyways, I wanted to do a full face video doing nothing but Kat Von D products. And when I was going through all my makeup, which I have a disgusting amount if you ask me, I really cannot do a true full face video of Kat Von D products because I don't have like her mascara. I don't have her setting spray. I mean, I did have her setting spray at one point in time. Oh, who's messaging me now? Oh, it's my friend Josh. You know, and then like it just didn't work out for me. I don't have her highlighter because technically she doesn't even have a highlighter out yet. But instead, I kind of wanted to do maybe just a Saint and Sinners tutorial with her palette. Like, this was her 2017 collection here, which I like the thought process behind it. Like, you have the good and the light, you know, the good and the bad, you know, like this side is the saint and this side is the sinner, which I kind of like. We'll see. To me, what I really like on the sinner side, she has like ministry, you know, which yeah, that's definitely taking a dig at the church, isn't it? You know, yeah, it's just, I really like it. Like, I could probably sit here all day and just, like, be in awe of this. But anyways, we shall get into this video. Let's get into the video. So, I already just finished putting some foundation and everything on my face. I just kind of wanted to skip that part today. But I do wanted to show that I got this humongous makeup set brush. This brush set. It's by Vander. It's a 32-piece makeup brush set. I got it for about, I don't know, $11 on Amazon. And I've played with these for the last couple days, and they actually really seem to be good brushes. Like, I've only had one kind of fall apart on me. I believe it was this one. It's kind of like a smudger brush. It's kind of a nice one too. But yeah, I had to super glue that bad boy together. I guess you get what you pay for, especially with makeup brushes. But I wanted to start off using the Saint Sinners palette. I'm going into the shade using this brush. It's kind of a medium shade brush. They don't really have names for it. You just kind of guess as you go along. But I'm going to go into the shade Baptism right here, which is in the bottom. It's kind of like a soft, I don't know, white, peach, beige color? I don't know how you exactly would call it. I will do a swatch here in just a minute. I don't know exactly what you would call this shade. Let me know in the comments below what shade you would call this. I use it as a base. That's just me personally. I use it as like a base, you know, a base color. Here, let's do a quick little swatch. That's what it looks like. It's kind of really pale. I mean, I don't know. It's kind of a pale color. Let me know what you think of it. And then I'm going to take my little favorite smudger brush here. And then I was going to use a little bit of the color. Oh, I don't know. I think I'm going to use Chalice here. It's over by Sacred Heart. Is upper on the scale a little bit. I'm going to try to put this into my crease. There we go. It's not the best, but it's not the worst in the world at this moment in time, or at least that's what I tell it's what I tell myself, honestly, guys. It's what I tell myself at night. Oh, I guess I did one side darker than the other, which wasn't intentional, but there we go. We have that increased. I'll probably use this to smudge out some things later, so I'll quickly, wipe it off. Set that aside. Next, I'm just gonna use this little brush. This is kind of like your small applique brush. I used this yesterday, so I'm gonna quickly wipe it off, and then I'm gonna go into the corners a little bit using the color. I'm not sure what color to use. So much color, so little to choose. I think I'm gonna go in with Sanctuary, which is right here, which is below Chalice. I like the names. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I may not like Kat Von D because of her drama with Jeffree Star, or whatever. But I do like the name of her shades. Like, to me, they are kind of unique in their own little way, even if people don't see it. But I put that out there. I kind of messed it up a little bit, but that's okay. I'll go blend it out. It's all going to be okay in the end. It's not the end of the world. Like, here, I'm going to stop for a quick sec. I'm going to swatch. This is Chalice. It's a very nice shade. And then I'm going to swatch Sanctuary. That is Sanctuary right here. It is a little bit streaky, but for some reason it actually blends out really nicely. It blends out better than you think it will be. And it's very weird that it does that. So here we go in the other eye with Sanctuary. Dun 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 dun. So here we go. Get my wig out of the way. So, and I have like 3 of these little brushes. So, I'm just gonna use the other one. I use this for the shade Heaven. This is Heaven. Like, if this is what Heaven looks like I will be perfectly happy and content. I don't know. Hold on, let me do this again. Yeah, like, oh, it's very pretty shimmery gray. It is kind of soft, I would be warned. It is kind of a soft little thing. Well, I'm going to go into my inner corner. And I leave that little, I'm going to have this little open space here for an idea that I'm going to try. There we go. We have Heaven on the inner corners here. And then I'm going to go into this. This is another little smudger, but it's not as big as the other one. I'm gonna use the shade Rosemary. I've noticed that like today so far I've been using everything on the same side. Maybe I'll, you know, so go into the shade Rapture. Or no, not Rapture. Rapture's up here. That's actually a nice little shade too, but this is Rosemary right there on my pinky. I'm gonna swatch that real quickly. Right there in the end. Like I said, some videos are very streaky. And it's very weird, but for some reason they just kind of work together. So here we go. I go in the middle between Sanctuary. Right in there. And it all blends together. Just be patient. Yeah, in between Sanctuary and Heaven. Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of funny, isn't it? Yeah, so here we go on the other side. Not half bad. I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Then I was going to use this, my little smudger here. Go into the shade. Actually, I'm gonna go into the shade. This little topper here called Rapture, and it's kind of a nice little topper. Not gonna lie. You just kind of put it on top of your eyeshadow and give it that little like kind of glittery effect. Like you need more glitter, you know. If someone ever told me they're like, "Oh, you need more glitter," or like you need less glitter in your life, I would say you don't need that negativity in your life. You need glitter for days, glitter for days. And it reminds me of the RuPaul Drag Race, you know, where Trinity Taylor did the Rue Crew makeover. That one, I forget what's his name, the cute one. Sorry about that. The one that Trinity Taylor did the makeover for in season 9, that really cute boy. Yeah. And his, like, his drag name was Glitter for Days. Yeah, you're right. Glitter for Days. Anyways, there's with it on with the topper. It is very nice. I was going to wipe this off real quickly. And then I was going to go in with this kind of Sacred Heart, which is over here by Chalice. Use a little bit of it. And kind of go up into my eyebrows a little bit. Not a whole lot. Just kind of on the outside a little bit. Oh my goodness gracious, my wig is in the way. Next time I'm gonna get a clip for this thing. There goes my phone. A little bit more Sacred Heart. See, I kind of blended it up in there. Looks very nice. Looks very nice. Okay. I will be right back. I am going to put on my eyeliner, my mascara, and my highlighter, and then I will be right back. And so I put on my mascara, my eyeliner, and I did a little bit of contouring. Not a whole lot. And some highlighting. I did use, this one's my highlighter, the Uranus by Jeffree Star. And then I used this a little bit as a contour, a little bit. it didn't turn out half bad, I don't think. Anyways, let me know in the comments below what do you think about it. But anyways, thank you for this video. I do like the Saint and Sinners palette. I don't think it's the absolutely worst thing ever. I think some of the shades could use a little bit of work. Some of them were a little splotchy, but they do blend out very nicely. But anyways, see you in the next video.